Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lucca quick meal Lucca espresso machine. It comes to us a clogged water pump, and it was full of scale and built a lot of coffee and stuff in here in the group head. So when I tested the machine, I found this combo valve was broken and leaking. So that causes, I thought, yeah, the customer was complaining like this pressure gauge all the steam in there when they turn the machine on, I mean. So but in that case, when I tested, I didn't see any of that steam, but I suspicious since this valve sits in here on the top of that gauge and behind that here. So I said maybe because of that leak coming on it, it causes that. But after that, sadly, it was like after I finished the machine and I descale it twice, I flush both boilers, I did deep cleaning for the steam one, and I serviced the steam assembly here, the steam valve, and I replaced these two gaskets here on it behind it. I lubricated. Then I noticed that pressure gauge start having that steam, so I just like order another one and I replaced it without charging the customer any labor. I just charge him the cost of the price of the part. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. Yeah, and the group head also get deep cleaned and replace the gasket, the group head gasket on it. Actually, this is not the same exact porter filter. This is from one of our machines, but because that machine didn't come with it. This is good. This is great shot with thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. I like to clean it right after doing a shot. So let's test the steamer. That works perfect, no leak, no nothing. The hot water. That works great too. And the machine refilling right away, and it's, you can hear it's smooth, like soft, almost silent. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.